How to allow third-party cookies on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Safari. Safari helps to browse the internet, access websites, manage tabs and bookmarks. Scroll to the very bottom of this menu and tap on Advanced. On the Advanced Settings page, disable the toggle for Block All Cookies under the Privacy section. To allow third-party cookies and other website data, ensure this feature is turned off. This will stop Safari from blocking cookies from all websites. Following these steps, you can easily allow third-party cookies on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.